Ones and ones, welcome back to the channel. You see the road, you know which car we are going. You know where we're going. Yeah, man, we're going to bypass again. So you know where we're going. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Joe TV. This man terrible long, you know? No bypass. So we are up on Anchovy side again. It's up late, you know? Dear ones and ones, welcome back to the channel, Joe TV and Lifestyle. I'm here up here, on the longest bypass with Anchovy. So, all the barrels are going. So, you know, so we're going to show and show what's going on. So, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And look over there. Like that. More cement. Stay tuned. The run down, sun hot. Yeah, go on, all the parents are going. When you see roller, say it's smooth, you know what's next. Asphalt coming next, and have to ask. No doubt about that. Yes, man. Look at this. Massive. Massive, man, tell you. I say, look up, better down there for your workers. That, man. Oh. That is it. Yeah, man. Yeah. Body for asphalt 30 for now. And now people, the whole ground I'm going to shit. The machine up there. The whole place is shit. Literally. Look at the water. Look at the birds. Sun walk. Whole place are vibrating. Just them I know it's asphalt coming next. So I know some people that it's asphalt. Yes, man. Stop there. Come on, Joe TV, remember to like, share, and subscribe. That is it.
If you learn to be loving by your own nature.
Yeah, ones and ones, man, as you can see, man, whole heap of work are going. So the mall smooth, asphalt coming next month. Yes, man, brilliant, man, brilliant. Work are going non-stop. Come on, let us tour, come along. The ones and ones, I don't know no whole for talking, not much that every time I want to show the progress. How I go on, you know? So come on. Stick and stay. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Joan TV and Lifestyle. And that will work.
the heart of Jamaica, where love takes its stand. With my dreadlocks swaying, unite every hand. From the mountains to the sea, hear our sweet harmonies. Together we rise strong, love like sunshine breezes. Whoa, hope in my life is the way we survive. In the colors of the sunset, together we thrive. From the city to the village, we're all intertwined in the love of the human race. Unity we find. Unity we find. We're vibing to the sound where the world feels embraced. Melodies of kindness in every familiar face. Dance to the heartbeat, let the visions align. In this one human race, love is our divine. Feel the spirit rise as we join in this song. Love is the message, it's the way we survive. In the colors of the sunset, together we fly. From the city to the village, we're all intertwined in the love of the human race. Unity we find. So let's lift our voices, let the world hear of me. In the love for each other, let the world you please. So let's lift our voices, let the world hear our plea. In the love for each other, forever we'll be free. Looking down from the skies, the coastline's a dream. Waves crashing, painting magic, the ocean's our theme. Mountains rise up like guardians of time. Nature's canvas alive, flowing in rhyme. Soaring high, the view is bliss. In this paradise we find our peace. Drone views, we're riding high. Ocean waves and mountains in the sky. Uplifted souls, we're feeling free. In harmony with the earth, just you and me. Sunsets ignite the horizon bright. Golden hues dance nature's pure light. Every ripple tells tales, secrets unfold. In this moment we breathe a love untold. Catch the vibe, let your spirit soar. With every heartbeat, let's explore. Drone views, we're riding high. Ocean waves peaks we align. In this dance of nature, we brightly shine.
In the morning light, we face the dawn. 15 years strong, and our love goes on. Every little moment, every sweet embrace, with you by my side, I found my place. Through the laughter and the tears, we found our way. You're my forever, my guiding light. In your warm arms, everything feels right. Through every season, our love will grow. With you, my darling, I'm never alone. We've danced through storms, we've seen the sun. In the book of life, you're the only